Welcome to this short ITC tutorial on how to use the Rapid Report function in FLIR Thermal Studio. Rapid Report allows you to create an inspection report within seconds, and all that's required is an existing report template and of course the thermal images that you want to add to the report. If you want to find out how you can create a customized reporting template, check out our ITC tutorial by clicking the link below. To set up Rapid Report, simply open Thermal Studio and go to the Reporting tab. Now select the template that you want to use. Right-click it and select Create Rapid Report Shortcut. Thermal Studio will now create a shortcut on your desktop that you can use to create a report with this specific template. What's great about the Rapid Report feature is that the software doesn't have to run for it to work. Let's close Thermal Studio to show you what I mean. Here you can see the shortcut that we created. Now all you need to do is select the images that you want to add to the report and drag and drop them onto the shortcut. Within seconds, the software will process those images into the template and create an inspection report. What this means is that you don't have to open the software and click through it to create a new report. Of course, you can still edit and adjust the report if needed. Check out other ITC tutorials on FLIR Thermal Studio and subscribe to our channel to get the latest on infrared training.